Gold failed to break past 1967 levels, have reversed yesterday and has got the maximum support at 1950 levels. At the same time, silver too has got very close to 2390, 2380 levels and have reversed. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, before the US CPI data itself. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Also you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now first let's have a look at the gold. See the sharp dip there. The 1950 levels given, it is support. Then the retracement, drop, retracement again. It is trying to create a bullish channel of its own. Now on the hourly charts, it is still trying to trade bullish, but then 1962-65 zone is something, and my favorite 1967 will come into picture. 1967 is a very good resistance. Beyond that, further bullishness can be expected. Now on the hourly charts, we can see that 1960 levels, even if it trades above 1960s, you can buy here, but then one has to remain extremely cautious till towards 1962, 65, 67. Till 67 one has to remain extremely cautious and alert, and once it breaks past 1967, just stay long in gold and it is going to fire up. That is what one can see. Now look at hourly charts. What it has done here is, see the symmetrical formation here. It has been trading in this flag formation, and once it breaks out beyond, certainly that should be considered as a good breakout, and that should be the time where we can expect that it has taken a direction. If you look at here, directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is seen rising here. It is trying to trade with divergence. RSI almost flat, and on the 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour charts, if you connect the dots, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, similar is the formation here. Let's just let it break past 1967. That is going to be a much better entry, but yes, you can enter right now also at 1960 and expect it to rise for and break past 1967 levels. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is seen converging and willing to cross over for a buy entry. RSI also started to look upwards, indicating slight bullishness. Now look at 3-hour charts. See on the 3-hour charts, one important point to note is, look at this sharp bearish candle. Now the complete movement is engulfed between this candle, and hence first of all, if you look closely, a sell entry I will recommend only below 1954 levels, below which you can again expect 50, 45, 40. So yes, a sell entry only is recommended if you see gold trading below 1954 levels. At the same time, a buy entry can be taken at 1965, 60 levels. In fact, you can buy. However, just wait for, because see, there is little caution you need to exercise till 1967 levels. We have seen multiple times gold reversing from those levels, but a breakout is going to be equally strong. Just wait for it to break out, and then certainly you can stay long. But comfortable entries above 1967, those who want to risk a little can buy at 1960 itself. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD willing to converge crossover, RSI looking upwards, staying bullish here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts, same observation on the 4-hour charts as well. Higher lows are seen. Also the previous blue candle had a flat bottom, This candle possibly might try to take it till towards 1965 levels, and this is the level which I will wait for it to break past by 1967. So very clear, it is consolidating still. The complete movement is engulfed between this red candle, and hence wait for it to surpass the red candle, then you can confirm that it has given a breakout. Direction movement bullish, stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge crossover, RSI trying to look upward. Now if you look at the daily charts, first of all, couple of observations to make. See lower highs, lower lows, support there from the 100 period moving average. Now this is the resistance zone. It needs to pass by 20 and 50 period moving averages. The exponential moving averages are stationed here at 1965 to 70 zone. Just let gold break past by this zone, and certainly if it stays above these levels, you can expect that gold has reversed and it is going to fly high. Now we have to just watch for lower high levels, that is at around 65 levels and 67 levels. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness is going to prevail. Directional movement bearish, stochastic almost flat. MACD is seen diverging here and it is still looking upwards, but the movement is very minimal. I will wait for a little aggression here. Right now it is almost trading flat. RSI almost trading flat here. So no, not a clear direction has been taken and it is not trading with the aggression or extreme bullishness here. So also if you look at higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. So these levels are equally important and hence yes, you can stay long above 1960, but then till 1967-70 one has to exercise extra caution, and beyond 1970 this time we are going to look at 1978-85 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at, and yes, if you sell at 1954, you have to wait for 1950, 45, 40. Only below 1940 you can consider gold as bearish, else it is going to fly high. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my 23rd mentorship batch. It starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. We have only limited intake and hence it is purely on the first come first serve basis. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver here. You can see it is trading in this bearish channel. I will again expect it to break past by 2430. Once 2430 is taken, we are going to look at 2450-60 zone, which is going to be the next strongest resistance. Also, if you look at what it has done on the hourly chart, see it is retracing here right now, looking forward to 2425, 2430 levels, and possibly once it breaks past, or rather I will say till the time it stays above 2410, one can expect it to rise. Possibly it is looking forward to a complete recovery till towards 2425, 2430 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic has come to overbought levels here on the hourly charts and hence this is a caution level. But at the same time the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see higher lows, higher highs means 2420, 2425, in fact 2430 can be expected here. Support there is now sitting at around 2410 and 24 zone. This is very important support zone, and only if silver is seen trading below $24 today, that is the point below which one can expect more bearishness, else it is going to stay bullish. That is my expectation. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD willing to converge crossover. RSI almost flat. And on the 3-hour, now on the 3-hour chart, the previous candle had a long tail, and with those as tail it is trying to rise, and this is still a retracement. Complete movement engulfed between this red candle. I will just wait for the price to surpass this red candle, then you can say that it is reversed and it is trying to fly high, which means 2430 levels again needs to be breached in order to confirm the rise. Now if you look at, see the 20 period average is giving it a support here at 2410 levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD willing to converge crossover for a buy entry. RSI looking upwards. And on the 4-hour charts likewise you can find out previous candles long tails have been seen and higher lows are seen. Now long tails indicate that the prices are having an upward push, and right now also it is looking upwards. So possibility for it to hit 2420, 2425, 2430 exists, and only if you see silver trading beyond 2430, further bullishness can be expected. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic seen rising. MACD is bearish here. It has not yet converged or crossover, and it is still trading in this bullish channel, almost hitting the bottom. Also if you look at it, is from the median it has tried to reverse here, so possibility for it to reverse again exists here. RSI also started to look upwards, indicating slight bullish. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, couple of retracement candles, lower highs, lower lows. The resistance there at 2430 is going to be strong, and we have to wait for it to break past 2430 with force here. Once it surpasses 2430, then you can say that more bullishness can be expected, and then this time possibly we can see a equally bullish candle, because there is lot much to achieve for silver on the upside, and this is still towards $25 levels. In fact it can trade beyond those levels, but right now if you look at on the daily charts, higher lows, higher highs, the support on the downside is now limited at around 2380. So till 2380 we are not going to consider silver as bearish, but remember, because see the drop, the retracement, and if it breaks below 2380 levels, there could be equally sharp drop or downside movement, and hence one has to remain cautious at 2380 levels, below which you can expect further drop, which might take it for 2360, 2350 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic has dropped here, MACD trying to trade with little divergence and trading bullish, RSI flat. Considering this, you can sell here at 24. 2390, 2380, two very strong support levels. Below 2380, just stay short, and it is going to fly for 23. It is going to crash for 2360, 2350 levels. Very strong support exists there. At the same time, on the upside, you can buy here at 2430. Expect it to rise a little beyond 2430. We can expect 2450, 2460, and this time, if it breaks past 2460, we can expect it to hit $25 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship and join my Signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.